Hi, so today's topic we are going to see erasing seconds, the time format. So there are two time formats are the 24-hour format and 12-hour format. So we are going to see what is that time format and we are going to see the conversion between the time format. So first is the clock repeats itself twice a day. The morning and evening, the clock is repeating. So we use AM and PM in order to show the difference between the time because we can see in the morning time and the evening time we can see the same time. In order to show the difference, we are using AM and PM in the case of 12-hour format. So we use AM from midnight to noon, and we use PM from noon to midnight. From noon to midnight we use PM, and we use AM from midnight to noon we use AM, and 12 AM is midnight and 12 PM is noon. So in 12-hour format, we use AM and PM. So midnight to noon, we use AM, and noon to midnight, we use PM. 12 AM is midnight and 12 PM is noon. In 24-hour format, we don't use AM or PM. We don't use AM or PM. Instead, in order to show the difference between the same time on the morning and the evening, we use the time from 000 to 2359. So we use this time range in order to in the 24-hour format instead of using the same time. So morning time is from midnight midnight to noon. Midnight to noon, it looks same. It looks same. Midnight to noon, it looks same. For example, 7 a.m. It is, we write that as 7. We don't write a.m. or p.m. Instead, we write the same time because it is morning. Morning times look same. And the midnight it starts from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Midnight starts from 0, 0, 0. And the noon, it starts from 12. Noon starts from 12, and from noon to midnight is the PM or next time. So during this period, so the time is hours are above 12. So the time above 12, we add 12 to PM. We replace PM and we add 12 to that. For example, 5 PM. So we replace PM and we add 5. We add 12 to the 5. So you will get 17. So the above 12 p.m., we remove p.m. and add 12 to get the time in 24-hour format. But in the morning time, it looks same. You just remove the a.m. In the evening time or the time above 12, you want to replace p.m. with add 12 to the time. So you will get the 24-hour format. To convert 12-hour to 24-hour, what you have to do? So we can divide that into two sections. AM section. So in AM section, what we are doing? AM section, we saw that the time remains same. Time remains same. Just remove, just remove the AM. For example, 10:30 a.m. Just remove the AM, so you will get 10:30 p.m. So how do you write p.m.? In the case of p.m., you have to add, remove p.m. by adding 12 to the hour. You are adding only the, removing the p.m. You are adding 12 only to the hours. Minute remains same. Remove p.m. Add 12 to the hour, 12 to the hour, minutes remains same. Only hour changes. Hour changes. So you remove PM, add 12 to the hour, minute remains same. For example, 3:45 p.m. So you want to remove PM, add 12 to the hours only. Minute remains same. So 3 plus 12. 3 is the hour. You add 12 to the hour. So the time changes into 15:45. You don't need to write the PM. We remove PM. We add 12 to the hours only. And in the case of 24-hour, other thing we need to remember is in the 24-hour format, the 12 a.m. 12 a.m. is 000. 12 a.m. is 000. 12 a.m. starts in the 24-hour format is 000. So what will be, what will be 12:15 a.m.? So 12:15 a.m. will be 12. We know that it is 00. So 00:15. We don't need to add a.m. So 12 changes into 00 in the case of 24-hour format, and the minute remains same. So in 24-hour format, 12 is 00 and minute remains same. In order to convert 24 hours to 12 hours, so consider two cases are the first case, time less than 12 hours. For example, 9:10. So 9 is less than 12. So if the time is less than 12, you can add simply the AM. Time less than 12 shows that it is a morning time. Morning time. So time less than 12 hours is same. You just add AM. But another case you can see 00:45. 00 in 24 hours, we saw that it is 12 midnight. 00 in 24 hours is midnight. So we replace 00 with 12:45 a.m. 00 in 24 hours is midnight. So replace that with a.m. Then the second case is time greater than 12. If time greater than 12, that is the evening time. If the time is greater than 12, then you want to subtract 12 from that time. For example, 17:20. So 17 is greater than 12. So you want to subtract 17 minus 12 gives you 5. So 5:20. So if the time is greater than 12, you want to subtract and you put PM there. So you can try doing this worksheets. So you have to specify whether you are doing in the AM or PM. You want to specify AM or PM.